Hi, and welcome to Challenge 10, Google Sheets and Form Responses. Today we're going to look at the responses we generated in our Google form. So, from Google Classroom, open today's challenge. Today's challenge will work best if you have at least 5 entries in your Google form. If you haven't yet done so, please do it. So, we're going to go back into our Google Challenge binder and open up the form we created the other day. What's great about Google Forms is it summarizes the responses from the entries that you've made right here in Google Forms. But if we want to see more detail and see the actual things that we input, we can press this green icon here that generates a form response sheet. So it turns all the entries into a spreadsheet, which we can then modify to make better use of the data that we've collected. So the first thing we're going to want to do is lock this title bar. Okay? We're going to freeze this first row. And to do so, we're going to click on View and Freeze, and we're prompted to choose the row that we're looking for. In this case, row number 1. Okay? That's going to stay locked. And now I can move up and down through my data, and I still have those headings there. The second thing we're going to want to do is if there's a long response, like this one, we're going to want to see all that information, and right now it's hidden. So what I can do is click on Format, and go down to Wrap Text. In this case, I want the text to wrap so that I can see it all inside that one box. And finally, what I might want to do if I've used this form throughout the year is put all the same student together inside this sheet, so I can take a look at that student data all in one spot. And the best way to do that is to go to the student names column. By clicking at the top on this down arrow, I can choose to sort the sheet by that name. So I can set it alphabetically, A to Z, and now I have my students grouped together. Once you've made those changes to the sheet, what we'd like you to do is go up to the share icon, get the shareable link for your spreadsheet, go back into today's challenge, and paste it at the bottom. Great. Once you're done that, you can press Turn In. And congratulations, you're done today's challenge.